Now, another huge issue regarding this fire is the lack of insurance that so many people had. In LA, it's very customary to get the home passed down from generation to generation. And because it doesn't have a mortgage, there's no bank requiring that you have insurance. So a lot of people went without insurance because insurance simply wouldn't give coverage because of the huge wildfire risk. And instead of listening to what these insurance companies were saying, California just outright rejected the risk involved, coming from the #1 risk assessors that there are in the United States.
Now, in 2023, 7 of the 12 largest insurance companies by market share in California either paused or restricted issuing new policies in the state. State Farm discontinued coverage for 72,000 houses and apartments in California last year, dropping nearly 70% of its market share in Pacific Palisade. That area almost completely engulfed still. Some insurance industry experts say something should have been done to fix the lack of insurance in California when thousands of people were dropped last year.
These are for-profit insurance companies. And so if they can't make a profit, they're going to leave the area. And that's exactly what happened. And it's legal. They don't have to keep doing business in California.
These insurance companies want to make money. The best case scenario for them is that they can insure your $15 million home and nothing ever happens to it and they never have to pay out on it. But instead, the risk is so high, it's so great that these homes are going to get burnt down so frequently that they just decided to cancel policies altogether. And that information is readily available to the California officials, and yet they still decided to take no preventative action to make these places more safe. That's why I say the Democrats in California are finished, because anybody with a brain can see that this is gross negligence on the part of Democrat politicians in California. But yet, if you ask any one of them what happened, who's to blame, who's responsible, they all either blame climate change or Donald Trump. They act like nothing could have been done to prevent this, and that is the exact opposite mindset that you want from somebody who is in charge of running and protecting your city and state.